हर इंडस्ट्री का एक बादशाह होता है and he is the बादशाह of luxury wedding industry. A veteran who has achieved many milestones in the luxury wedding industry. He is the CEO of Q Events, Mr. Rituraj Khanna with us. How are you feeling being here at EMF Global 2024?
So this is the first EMF I'm attending,
Okay.
which is very astonishing for me only, because JD is very close to me, and
Right.
I don't know how I used to miss it every year. I almost was on the flight to Egypt and I had to cancel last moment. Last to Vietnam I had to cancel. So this time he made sure that I was here.
Right.
I was the first guy to get the invite. It's great meeting everybody. I love these platforms
Right.
because I'm the first one to reach for breakfast because I want to meet everybody.
Yeah, right.
And I know everybody, so
Wow.
the 625 people, I know about 620 of them.
Wow.
It's my business to poke my nose and know them. If they don't want to know me also.
You know, actually, I think where we talk about networking versus connections, so you are someone who truly makes connections with people and they're
See,
there
for
to
me,
stay.
networking, you're sitting in the hall. Once you're out, it's out of your mind.
Right.
It's very difficult for event planners to continue with the networking. I took over the destination bit. Third day, I did my first event at Taj Palace, and the same month I was sitting in Udaipur, and I was lucky enough to get Lakshraj married after that, and his sister also.
So even though you are the pioneer in the luxury wedding industry, so how has weddings evolved over the years?
The wedding became 10 times more bigger than what he used to do.
Acha.
The people wanted the best stuff. They wanted the best designs. कितना बड़ा कर सकते हैं. Especially the destination wedding जहाँ होटल होता था. होटल में इतने बड़े setups हमने कभी नहीं लगाए थे.
I have a very interesting question. The world has witnessed one of the biggest weddings of आप decade बोल रहे हो, century बोल रहे हो, साल बोल रहे हो. What are your thoughts around that?
See, I don't follow that kind of weddings because I myself do a lot of big weddings bigger than theirs. They might be bigger in capacity, but the amount of bigger weddings we do, the style we do, they can't compete with us.
So how do you balance tradition and innovation?
See, we innovate every day, we think every day. We don't have a one-day schedule. So we evolve every day. It's not like एक party आ गई तो अभी सोच लो आप लोग. हम लोग रोज सोचते हैं. And I do a lot of research myself. I like to have a look at everybody's work, what people are doing, not to copy,
Right.
but I need to be ahead of everybody.
Right. So you know हम लोग आजकल social media के era में हैं. So what do you think? How important is it for wedding planners to be on social
For me,
media?
it is very important. I don't want the wedding planning.
Uh-huh.
I was one of the first guys who completed 5,000 on my Facebook years back.
Oh, wow.
I've got 3,000 people on the waiting list.
Acha.
I am 3 lakh plus on my Instagram, and I handle everything myself.
So before we close, we'll do a small rapid fire round with you. If you get a chance to do a wedding for a fictional character, who would that be?
Boss.
Okay.
Fictional,
अगर
I
आपको
don't know
किसी
anything.
किसी era के अंदर एक wedding करने का मौका मिले तो कौन सी era को आप choose करेंगे?
Umrao Jan.
उमराव जान. अरे वाह. और what is the biggest जुगाड़ you have ever done in a wedding?
The plenty of जुगाड़ हमारा कुछ ना कुछ फटता रहता है, टूटता रहता है, so instant होता रहता है.
Right. One thing which you like to change about weddings or events?
See, I want to change the outlook of the people who are doing weddings.
Okay.
वो लोग weddings कर रहे हैं अभी मोरली पैसा कमाने के लिए, जो मैं भी करता हूँ. पर थोड़ा सा I think we should be more family oriented. We should give थोड़ा तवज्जो उनको family को देना चाहिए. उनको लगना चाहिए हम उनके लिए शादी कर रहे हैं.
Right.
At times I feel कि हम सिर्फ पैसा नोचने के लिए शादी कर रहे हैं. So you know, taking care of the elders in the family, all these, they're important.
Okay, so the last question is, if you were a superhero, what would your superpower be?
Spread more love.
Wow. So thank you so much. On this loving note, we would like to pause this discussion for today, and I'm sure that we'll be having more conversation like this with
Thank
you,
you
sir.
very much. Thank you.